ORBIS, Honda Type R Hybrid. The ORBIS ring wheel separates the stationary hub from the rotating rim and wheel. Offsetting the motor from the center creates a torque multiplying effect, reducing the power needed to start and stop the wheel. The patented three-pointed bearing spider reduces friction to 1/5 while doubling the structural strength of the wheel. Brake rotor weight is reduced by 60% and unsprung weight by 50%, enabling in-wheel motor installation without weight penalty. ORBIS technology enables converting a two-wheel drive into a four-wheel drive without adding unsprung weight to the vehicle. We added a 31-pound, 50-horsepower zero motorcycle brushless motor to each of the Honda Type R rear wheel assemblies, upgrading them from passive to independently powered wheels. ORBIS designed custom parts to replace the factory wheel assembly and to remove excess weight for optimum operation and integration. All this became one bolt-on kit for ease of substitution. The ORBIS assembly was tested for friction. The dynamic friction of the wheel with no load was a mere 4 watts. To get an idea of just how little this is, you can get as much as 10 watts of friction variance with a bicycle wheel and chain just by using different lubes. This hybrid vehicle has multiple benefits in relation to a factory configuration. We achieved a 5 times reduction in static and dynamic friction, as well as a 30% increase in mechanical braking efficiency, due to a 30% decrease in brake temperatures. We created an all-wheel drive gas-electric hybrid Type R, which has 100 added horsepower with minimal increase in curb weight. We improved 0 to 60 times and increased torque by 40%. Improved front-to-rear weight bias and fuel economy while reducing emissions. We improved safety and control via lighter wheels and reduced inertia, improved traction via all-wheel drive, and, to top it off, a reduction in brake fade. The completed hybrid vehicle was road-tested in city and highway conditions using an infrared thermal camera to verify the decrease in brake temperatures. ORBIS, driven to advance transportation technology.